What's up, y'all? Mink here, back with another tutorial. If y'all are just here for the music, go ahead and skip forward. Mink is a person. I just finished the 3 tattoos. I got my mom's birthday right here. I got the new MinkMade logo, and I got the heart with the headphones on it. Mom told me to get something that meant something to me, so that she could have the back or 3 spots. She chose the 3 spots. RIP to her. As a person, it's kind of been up and down since it's less than a month ago that she passed. But I am about to move back to Europe. I made that decision the other day. I'm actually leaving this week, and yeah, it's just gonna be better for me there. The States is not for me at the moment. But let's get to the music and let's do a drill tutorial. All right, so onto the video. I'm holding the phone because the stand that I was using broke while I was trying to get this set up. But you know, we keep it moving, we keep it pushing. I'm gonna hold on to this. So at the start, drill is normally 140. Go up to here and make sure this is at 140. If you're not sure how to do that, right click and there's a list over here, or you can go to type in value. I usually just type in the value 140 and enter. All right, we got our BPM typed in. Now let's go to our channel rack. Your channel rack is the 3 dots right here. Click that and it'll open up. Now you get sounds when you do the 808 basic that come up. None of those are drill. So left click and slide down all 4 of them. Hold Alt and delete, and it will delete all of them for you. All right, so now we need a melody to put these drums on. I did just come out with a new loop pack. It's 35 free loops / samples. They are free for profit. Go ahead and grab that. It's called Club Mink. So I'm gonna go into the drill here. We're gonna grab stress. Obviously it's been a little stressful lately. I do have a friend that I collab with regularly named ePollution. And he made a beat out of this that is actually my most played on MinkMade and Mink Grimes in a very short period of time. Go check that out. I'll leave a link. But yeah, so we want to get this over into here, into our playlist. So what we do is we left click, just drag it, and then you can come up here and drop it. So I like to play my loop. I'll press play here and then try to find something that sounds like it'll go with it. So I found this shaker hi-hat. So what you do when you want this is you right click on it, and I go to open in new channel. All right, now so for drill hi-hats, click in the first, skip 2, click in the 4th, skip 2, click in the 7th, skip 1, click in the 9th. Now as you can tell when I hit play, the hi-hats only went for, you know, a short part of the beat. So how you get that done is you double click on the pattern. After you've just put in 3 hi-hats, and then you shift left click and drag across the first 2 little boxes right here, and then hold Alt and B. And it'll keep copying those over, and do that all the way till you get out to your 8 bars or 4 bars or 16 or whatever you put it out as. So now that we're at 8 bars, when I hit play, it should play across the whole thing. Sorry, like I said, I'm holding the camera. All right, yeah, that's got some rhythm, that's got some bounce to it. But it also sounds super robotic. So left click and hold Control and grab across all those hi-hats and hold Alt and hit R for the randomizer. Okay, you can change the panning, you can change the velocity so that they don't sound as robotic. Fix that up to how you like it, hit accept. So now it sounds like this. Now it kind of sounds like somebody's playing them, you know, has more bounce to it. This is a beginner tutorial, so I'm actually going to stop here. If you want to get crazier, you can start clicking in different places. But if you're just beginner, I wouldn't go too crazy. Get a sample in, get your hi-hats in, and then, you know, start going from there. But yeah, this is a Mink out. Go ahead and check out the links that I put in the description. Much love.